Welcome back! Nakalimutan ko?
Boom! Boom! Retake!
Retake! Hello! Welcome and welcome back for today's video. I'm with my siblings and my husband. So, we'll be unboxing bears today. Bears, the Bearbricks. And it's for Series 42 and Series 43. There we go. Alright! Ready for our siblings unboxing edition! So, we have the 20th anniversary series for Bearbricks and Medicom toys. So, the difference, mainly the basics for this one is in like the black galaxy design, and then this one is in the white galaxy design. So there. However, these were pre-picked by my sister when she purchased it. So from here, we'll try to pick our own luck from whatever we have. Okay, game. Before we unbox one by one, to the pick. I'll be the last because I picked everything. Which one? This one? That's three. And this is Ate Buzz. Ta-da! Who goes first? Clap, 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 clap. Okay. From the eldest in the family. Oh! Just kidding. Okay, let's start with Grasha. I'm scared. So on the side, you'll see, a bunch of options for this. They look like jelly beans. It's good. First basic.
No.
Hopefully.
Hopefully basic.
I don't want to see it.
Di ba?
There's a twin.
Basic nga.
Manifesting.
Bye. Sorry, Grace.
Yay!
But in fairness, the basic really has like a metallic or silver metallic.
Gloss.
Yeah, gloss. So it's still nice. It looks like you,
like
right?
Like marble.
And it's B for Beboy. Or Benton.
Or bike.
They don't know that. Okay. Ta-da! Yay! Who's next? Happy. Oh, pick. Who's gonna open next?
This one.
This one.
This one. Ito. Hindi siya tao. Heavy emotion.
Maris! No, show it here! Why are you hiding it?
Oh!
It's green!
It's the jelly
Yellow
bean!
bean.
It's green!
Oh my god! Very good job! Show it hard! Ta-da!
Yeah.
There. Okay. Who's next?
Who's next?
Marise.
Ate Paul.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh, I think you're gonna get the third one, Ate Paul, because the first person opened this, the second person opened this. I think they're gonna get the third one, Ate Paul.
Pattern.
La 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 la. Tuloy.
Ayaw niya rin tumingin.
The hero one. Yeah.
Oh my
Oh,
god!
it's got NBA team's logo.
Oh, and the ears! Ah! Oh my gosh! Warriors! This one! Yeah. That's hard to beat. Oh my July!
Wow!
Who's next, ate?
Next is Kuya.
Manifest.
Oh my
I
goodness!
want okay.
Cheers!
It's out.
normally have the same fate.
With my luck, I think.
You remove the plastic and then you put it
I
here.
think it has nothing in it.
First
What the
stand.
hell?
I remove plastic. So it's stands.
Okay. 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 I think I saw yellow.
Yellow?
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
Minion?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yellow.
Wait, but the design here is just one-eyed minion. What you got is the two-eyed minion.
Oh.
it's
it's
rare!
rare.
I think you got the rare one.
Yeah. The secret design, right?
Yeah!
Oh,
Then let it sit
amazing.
there. Yours too. Let it sit.
Cool, cool, cool.
That's mine.
Oh, who's next? Kuya. Kuya.
Yeah. Let's go, Kuya.
Kuya Ray. Goes
You're the
next.
last one.
OMG! The
Oh
Kuya Ray
my
doesn't
God.
want to open his on the video, so I'll open it for him. Halina! Look at this! This is Kuya Ray's. He picked this. He picked this.
Ew, basic.
What do you hope to get, Kuya Ray?
Black one.
Basic! What a prayer!
Reverse psychology. Reverse psychology.
Ta-da! Ta-da-da-da.
Manifesting the red one.
Medicom.
The red one.
The flag one.
The
Red and
one.
white.
You picked this, ha? Babu, ha? Oh.
Let me see.
Nice! Really nice.
Yung artist.
No,
Artist.
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 Nice! Congrats! Woo!
Okay.
Amazing.
Oh my gosh. I think we're gonna close it with a basic. I'm
Open
scared.
it with the basic and then close it with the basic.
My goodness! I'm scared. Of course, for the final 42 series. Unboxing. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Another basic.
I'm scared to get the basic. Diyos ko, Lord! Yeah, we're the last 3 picks. They got the best ones. And then I'll get the basic.
Wait, does it keep falling?
Omo! Omo! Oh my G! Ate Paul, your hands, that's really nice. Your hands, it's really bantot.
Consistently.
See? I got a chocolate! Wow!
You're the only bantot in the family.
That's not chocolate. What the heck?
Chocolate!
That's an animal. What the chocolate?
It has a
It says
different-
animal.
Oh, it has a special sticker.
Not all browns are chocolate.
See?
Pag
It has a
chocolate,
special
animal.
sticker.
Ay, pag chocolate.
Oh.
Pag brown chocolate. Pwede bang mall din? Brown mall. Brown mall. Super straight.
Nice! Woo! Nice! Wow.
It's pretty.
It's pretty.
Your hands are so baho.
You're consistent.
You called me Bantot.
Yeah, you're the bantot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, we got a chocolate one. Alright, cool.
It's not a chocolate.
Okay, cool. So, that's for the first batch. Now, for this one, these are yours because we have our own. But, I'll help with the unboxing. Ah, pick yours. Ah, great!
No! I'm going to pick last.
Ayoko na.
I picked everything. Whatever you don't pick is mine.
Bantot hands.
Oh, kuya, this time you pick first.
Okay.
Who?
You also pick.
Middle.
So we'll know if it's bantot or not. Oh. Okay. Get one. Ate Paul gets two. Just for the unboxing part. Oh, since you got two, you open one.
Open.
You're
Oh my
first.
God.
You open first.
So I got two basic.
I hope I get the Jollibee. Pero if ever makuha ko yung basic, happy pa rin ako. Kasi
It's
black
black.
siya.
It's the black basic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's like the galaxy color basic.
This is the anniversary.
And if you get the black one, it's like the black and white.
It's like
basic.
you.
No.
It's like choco vanilla.
No.
It's like your shoes before. Polka dots, black and white.
Not basic.
Oh, nice! Nice!
Batman.
Got the Batman! Yeah!
Ate Paul is not bantot anymore.
Yeah, Ate Paul's not bantot anymore. Unlike the bunsong bantot. Oh, who's next? Ate Paul!
No, I'll open last because I have two.
But
I'll
yeah,
open mine one.
pick. Who's next?
That's next.
Let's open this. Kuya Ray. Oh, Kuya Ray! Okay, this one's Kuya Ray's. I'll open it again. You pick this. It's the one in the middle. Okay.
That's basic.
Are you sure? Really? Because it's black?
Manifesting basic.
Boom!
Basic.
Boom! No, it's not! It's
Manifesting basic.
it's beige.
What?
Whoa! Oh, it's rare!
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not here!
One of the secret
Yes,
designs.
secret
Cobra
design.
Kai rare!
Secret
Oh,
design.
nice!
Yeah.
Taga-open ka lang. Nandun tayo sa isang box eh. But still, you're not baho.
Secret design.
Right! Nice! Nice si Ate Paul!
Go,
Sa inyo
go.
to eh. Don't worry. Say, you
The
guys
only
will-
baho in the family.
Yeah. Who's next, Kuya Ray?
Grace!
The baho! Yan talaga nag-block. Ewan ko
Okay,
na lang.
pray over. Uy, hindi ililay hands.
Para mag-display.
Let's open.
Tapusin naman natin agad. Ano natin kung gaano kabaho yung kamay.
I thought you want basic.
Kahit anong ASMR gawin ko kung mabaho yung kamay.
Pink!
Oh
my God!
Grabe!
Hindi, iba.
No, it's rare if it's pink.
Care Bears.
Oh, you got Care Bears!
Cheers! No baho!
Wow, nice.
No more baho. You redeemed yourself.
Cute!
Who's next?
Next.
Next.
Who's next?
Kuya?
Ah, kuya. Which one?
It's not
My
black
God.
again.
Transformer.
I think it's the jelly bean one.
Blue!
Again.
Blue!
No!
Oh, no, the flag!
Ah,
The
the flag.
Bearbricks.
Is that Taiwan?
Maybe I got the baho one. Canada? Canada? I think I'm manifesting the baho one.
Canada is maple leaf. It actually looks like Adidas logo.
True.
I don't know what flag it is.
Oh, who's next, kuya?
You, Billing.
Why me? Why me? Okay, next. My gosh, I might get the basic. At
I think I
least,
have the basic one.
at least, this is not mine.
Oh my God. Attitude.
Attitude. Ay, what's this? Bakit stuck there?
Surprised. Oh no.
Ah!
Tumatalsik-talsik.
Uy, I got double. Charot.
No.
I
You're not that
think,
lucky.
I think this one is blue!
It's the basic one.
got a
Jelly bean?
I got cute!
Cute.
Oh! Cute!
Gremlins!
Nice. Gremlins too.
It's Gizmo.
It's
The
nice!
Gremlins.
Gremlins.
Nice picks, Ate Paul. Good job.
Nice!
Oh, Marise!
Oh yeah, I think I got the basic. I can see.
Starting from now, I'll only buy from Malaysia.
Oh,
Cross-border for
good
you.
pick. Oh my gosh, oh, see, it's clear sa top. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Ganda. So, Marie?
Yes?
Oh! Jelly! Yung blue!
Nice.
Still no baho.
Yeah.
No baho in this batch. Oh my G.
Oh my.
Really good
You
picks.
still have
Oh,
one.
okay.
Last one, last
I
one.
still have a lucky hand.
Very good job.
It's nice. Oh my gosh.
Okay, last one.
Last one.
Just
When
when
you badly
you're praying
want-
for basic,
Yeah,
you
because
don't
it's really
get
nice.
one.
Right? This time you're praying for basic because it's nice.
Yeah, it's black.
I hope you get this. Gelato.
Oh, yung parang green na marble din.
Yung may letter.
Pero
Parang
parang
pastel.
kapag
Pastel.
Dull green. Dull green.
Gelato.
Whoa! Chrome!
The basic.
That's the basic.
Nice.
No!
No, it's
It's
not.
not the basic.
It is
I
B.
think.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's not black.
It's
The
not.
basic is
Oh. It's
the basic.
nice. Nice.
Okay.
Cool.
Wow.
Yes,
Yay.
that's
One basic per set.
So, here you go. But in fairness, we opened the basic last. We
Yeah.
opened the basic first, and then we opened the basic last.
True, true.
More.
Woot!
Let's open that Nintendo Switch box. That's PlayStation inside.
Wow! That's it.
I got PlayStation win. Nintendo Switch box.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
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 Huh?
Bye.
Sit out.